Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Facebook Lite to save memory on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin. So, as you can see, we do have our normal Facebook installed. However, the problem with normal Facebook is that it's incredibly large application and usually it waits quite a lot. You can go into App Info. And unfortunately we cannot see it right here, how much space it actually says it has. And unfortunately it looks like we cannot really disable the Facebook or uninstall it, we can only disable it, which is very unfortunate. Even if we try to go here, we don't really see the button for uninstalling, which is pretty bad. And even if we enter through here, so I can go into manage, we can go into Facebook. You will notice that we actually do not have the trash bin icon. However, every single other application, even if we are in manage, for example here we can go into trash bin, but unfortunately in here we can simply go to trash bin, but actually the Facebook is still going to persist. So unfortunately there isn't a way for you to get rid of the Facebook entirely. However, I will try to... Oh, that's quite interesting. My internet decided to die. Cool. So I will still try to get rid of it, and I can do that by simply disabling the application, and this way it will no longer run in the background and it's basically frozen. But of course we are chronically online, so we want to keep in touch with, I don't know, our friends or family. So let's instead go into our Play Store, which I have no idea why I keep having problems with my Wi-Fi. That's pretty interesting. Okay, the Wi-Fi is back. So once again, I can now go into my Play Store. I can start typing in Facebook, which is right here. So let's go into Facebook. And you will notice that we actually, after scrolling down a little, we should see something called Facebook Lite. And the cool part is we can see that it's actually have a similar app that we have already installed, and it's Facebook that currently weighs 83 megabytes. And if we go to view, we unfortunately don't really see how much megabytes. Oh, we actually do. It's Facebook Lite and it weighs 2.8 megabytes, which I think you can clearly see that there is a very, very big difference between two. So let's install our Facebook Lite. And by the way, you can even see how fast this should install, even with my poor Wi-Fi. And now we can open it, and we can just use Facebook Lite instead of normal Facebook to have better memory, to have better memory management, to have bigger battery usage, smaller battery usage and bigger battery life. And generally speaking, have better experience. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!